So we thought we'd just stop because a huge whale just came up right next to the boat. We don't know if we'll see him again.
Oh,
there he is. I don't know if you can see. They're really nice. There they are. Hello guys. All I can say is fishing at the Outer Banks. I got him, Minnie. I got him on.
Stody, what just happened?
What? Oh, we got a strike, but it's a long way out. And so far he's running in with us, so I'm bringing in the line as quickly as I can. Keep the pressure on his hook so he doesn't drop it, but there he is. He's coming in. I don't think it's a big fish, but
somewhere out there.
Oh, now he's starting to fight a little bit. I don't think he's a big fish at all, but he's a fish. That's a mahi.
How can you tell?
Because he's blue. We want to go slowly now.
I see it!
We don't want to lose him. We don't want to take his...
He's a nice size.
Oh my god!
Oh!
That's because the pressure came off the line.